Hey love, hey love, hey love. Sensational Saturday to you. Jesse C. Love, teacher love, coach love. So look at here. After going to get some lab work done today, I went to the Dollar Tree. Even though, you know. Nevertheless, did y'all know Master P got a cup of noodles? I didn't, and it was in the Dollar Tree. And it has like a bio on him, and one of his quotes is the key to success is knowledge, investing in yourself, and never giving up. They have a lot of sodium, over 1,000 milligrams, but I decided to go ahead and get them and try them. This is creamy chicken gumbo flavor. If you've been down south, you know. If you don't know, you ain't always gotta have seafood. Yeah. There were 3 kinds. This one, California, E40. His is believe in yourself first before you believe in anyone else. Before you believe in someone else's dream, believe in your own dreams. You smell me? Your personality and networking skills will take you a long way. Always remember, stay down until you come up. Real talk. His is beef prime rib flavor. And then the third one that I found was Louisiana hot and spicy chicken with Boosie. And his quote is, sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. So I think I'm going to try Master P first. Oh, yeah, I'm going to do Master P first and then I'm going to come back. They also had this Coffee Mate Cafe Mocha. It was on the little clearance for 50 cents. I was like, every time I go to the doctor, specialist, they always ask me if I drink. Do you drink alcohol? Do you drink coffee? I'm like, I've been saying no so long, and then maybe I should. Yeah. So this Cafe Mocha smells pretty good. Ooh. Wow. Triple churned. Ooh wee. With 2 times richer than milk. Oh, this tastes like something you can just drink, but it's for man. This is good. And the bottles don't expire until March 2024. So I don't know why they were 50 cents. But I grabbed all. I'm like ready to turn it up. I grabbed them. Wow, it was only like 5 of them, so I was like, I'm gonna get them. $2.50. I never tasted them. Man, that's good. I wonder what it's gonna taste like inside of some coffee though. It really tastes like I could just turn it up. All right, let me pause this and do this creamy chicken gumbo premium ramen noodles by Master P. Will it make me say or nah? Hold on. Wait, I just opened it. I forgot. Okay. I don't know if it got chicken pieces in it, but it has what looks like green onions, carrots, and corn. It smells pretty good. All right, let's cook it and see. It's about half of the container. No, it looks like it is half of the container. And then it has a little water line where you put water to. It's gonna be interesting. All right, so while I wait on the noodles to cook for 3 minutes, let's see. Okay, so let me taste the coffee first by itself. Ew. I don't really like coffee, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. I'm gonna do 4. I think I got a teaspoon. It might be a tablespoon. I don't know. Woo. I just don't like coffee. I really don't. Yeah. It don't sting me like it did. I'm 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Okay, so now it's like a beige color. Man. Okay. So that's better. That's better. 8. I'm gonna be drinking more creamer than anything. But at least that's better. Maybe I should put some honey in it. Yeah, because I ain't gonna be doing 10. I can't tell if this is a tablespoon or a teaspoon. It look like a tablespoon. Hey. It's got a little transfer. This is my Temu lipstick. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. I feel so tired. I don't like that. I'll be back after the noodles are done. All right, I've let it sit for maybe a minute. These cups aren't very well ventilated. They're not very well insulated because you can't hold them in your hands after 3 minutes. And you gotta be mindful of your own microwave because this spilled over in the microwave. As far as the coffee with the coffee mate, since I'm not a coffee drinker like that, I added honey. Tastes a lot better. So let's see. Smell spices. And the noodle consistency is like that of, it's pretty nice. They not all thick, you know, like the regular ramen noodles. So it's pretty nice. Let's see what it tastes like. Maybe below so I don't burn my, last thing I need is another problem. Another health problem. So 3 minutes is probably too long with our microwave. Maybe I'll try 2 minutes next time on the other one. I think I'm gonna go Cali and do the prime beef prime rib flavor the next time. Where's Lil Boosie from? Cause I mean, Master P, I guess that's downtown New Orleans. These are like the projects or something. You know, those buildings where it's like a lot of people that live in. I don't know. Red, orange, yellow. All right, let's see. they're really tender. The noodles are really tender. I like that. So it's more of like the cup of noodle, regular cup of noodle style. It's too hot for me to get the juices. So hot. They keep heat, that's for sure. Good Lord. I couldn't even taste it because it was so hot. Let me let it cool down a little bit because I want to taste the gumbo. All right, I let it cool down to the place where I can hold it. It's still warm to the touch, but it's not burning hot. All right, let's see. I want to taste the chicken gumbo. It's still kind of hot. I don't know. You know, it would have been real, well, I don't know if they could have put chicken chunks in it. But you know, like how other brands have shrimp and the premium brands have little shrimp. That would have been cool. It got a lot of spices, but I can't tell if it's chicken gumbo. But I do like the texture of the noodles. That's good. So this is a 2 1/4 ounce size for $1.36 at the Dollar Tree. Not bad. It's not bad. So we're gonna see what the other ones taste like. I ain't probably doing no video. I'll just add my comment to here. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. Make it a lovely day, not just for you. Help someone else have a lovely day too. Until the next time. Love you. Be love.